Let's face it, lawsuits are quite common today. If you accidentally injure someone or damage their property, you could be sued. And more, juries are awarding very large verdicts. So while your homeowners, property, and auto policies may provide substantial liability limits, juries can award sums that exceed those limits. That's where umbrella insurance comes in. A personal umbrella policy provides an extra layer of coverage on top of your existing policies. Imagine that you are involved in an auto accident, and your auto insurance has a limit of $500,000 for bodily injury and property damage per accident. Unfortunately, you are found to be at fault for the accident, and the other driver decides to sue you. The suit is settled for $1 million, and you are liable to pay. In this example, your auto insurance would pay the first $500,000 as per the limits of your policy. But what about the remaining $500,000? How would you come up with the money to pay for that? Thankfully, if you have a $1 million personal umbrella policy in place, the insurance company would pay the remaining $500,000. So this is why an umbrella policy can be so important. It helps to protect your income and assets against lawsuits by providing liability coverage in excess of your existing policies. So for example, if someone slipped and fell in your driveway and wanted to sue you, or your dog gets loose and bites a neighbor's child, the same umbrella policy would kick in on top of your homeowner's policy. If you are responsible for damages caused by an accident while on your boat, or while operating your RV, again this umbrella policy would provide additional coverage. Besides providing increased liability limits, a personal umbrella policy also provides coverage if you were sued for libel, slander, or defamation of character, and would even help to pay for defense costs, which could save you thousands in legal fees. And one of the most attractive features of umbrella insurance is that it can be very inexpensive. To give you an idea, a $1 million umbrella policy can cost around $20 a month. Protecting what you've worked so hard for with an umbrella policy can be a very smart decision, because you don't need to be a millionaire to be sued like one. Call us today to put a plan in place to protect you and your assets.